Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. First, ensure your Google Workspace administrator has enabled Gemini for your organization. You will need an eligible workspace plan, such as Workspace Enterprise, to access these powerful AI features. Once enabled, you can begin integrating Gemini's capabilities directly into your daily workflow across several Google applications, enhancing productivity and creativity with intelligent assistants. Let's explore Gemini's practical applications in Gmail and Google Docs. In Gmail, Gemini can help you draft professional emails, suggest replies, and even summarize lengthy conversations, saving you valuable time. When working in Google Docs, you can leverage Gemini to brainstorm ideas, create initial drafts, or refine existing text, ensuring your writing is clear, concise, and impactful. It's like having a personal writing assistant. Moving on to Google Sheets and Slides, Gemini offers powerful assistance. In Sheets, it can help you analyze data, generate complex formulas, and identify trends with ease. For Google Slides, Gemini can assist in creating engaging presentations by suggesting layouts, generating content for slides, and even summarizing your entire presentation. This integration streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on delivering your message effectively. By integrating Gemini into your Google Workspace, you unlock significant productivity gains. It empowers you to collaborate more effectively, automate routine tasks, and enhance your creative output across all applications. Imagine saving several hours each week by letting AI handle initial drafts or data analysis. Gemini acts as an intelligent partner, helping you work smarter, not harder, and achieve your goals with greater ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.